afternoon. We're making our way to the Botanical Gardens, and whatever park we're in is lovely. Just the sound of water and birds chirping.
Why?
It's a lot of shade. You want to talk about this park?
Well, I think we're in it already.
Oh, we're in the gardens?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was like we're gonna have to pay thing.
No. It's all free and open. We're just trying to find a kid's playground.
Well, that's even cooler.
Right.
It's also surprisingly not hot for this time of day.
What is it?
You see a lizard? Oh my goodness.
Hey, how did you spot that?
Yeah, that's climbing up trees.
It is. It's
That's
so well camouflaged.
crazy.
Hayes.
You do not have my eyesight. Hayes, is this the biggest playground you've been to all year?
For the world's biggest playground. This is huge.
We had a lovely time at the gardens. Those gardens are really impressive. Hayes played in the playground for so long. He made a friend named Andrew, who's 8 years old and from California, traveling with his mother, who's a teacher, for 5 weeks. Pete went down a slide.
Back by popular demand, Pete going down a slide in a playground. Here we go. Let's go, Hazy.
What a surprise. Didn't hurt his thumb today. And then Andrew asked if we would come with them to the bamboo playhouse structure just further into the gardens, and so we did, and it was really sweet. He was so nice with Hayes, and he taught him to sword fight. So now we're headed to get some dinner, and we wanted somewhere in the neighborhood, Chow Kit, that we're staying in, and found a Hyderabadi biryani place. Biryani is one of Pete's favorite foods. We had a colleague from Hyderabad in India, and his wife made the most delicious biryani.
Hassan
Sheikh. He's very famous.
YouTube famous.
500,000 subscribers. Give him a follow. He doesn't need it. Anyway, it's not going to be that good, but we're hoping it's going to be pretty good.
Biryani time. Alright, can I serve you up? Did you already mention how much I love biryani?
How much do you love biryani?
I'm very happy. Let me know in the comments who loves super long grain rice, because I do.
The shorter the better for me.
You didn't have a window, you have.
I have a window to look out? Alright, hello again. It's lunchtime, and we're not staying at MoMo's anymore, but they're doing this really cool like in-room picnic dining experience that they invited us over to try. So we're back at MoMo's, but they've completely transformed the rooms to be this cool like picnic-y setup with a tent and board games for Hayes. We're gonna be having some burgers and milkshakes, and Hayes is very excited for this. Izzy, was that fun? You a bit tired now from all the playing and all the hamburgers?
Oh, I wait.
You wait. Was that fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? That was your favorite part? The tent?
All right, real quick, I realized when editing that I said,
We'll show you more of that later.
but then I never did. So anyway, here's our beautiful room at the Chow Kit, and a big thank you to them for hosting us during our time in KL.
Be careful of monkeys.
Don't feed the monkeys. And don't look at them in the eyes.
There it is.
My
That is the third largest statue of a Hindu deity in the world, second only to one in Indonesia and Nepal. It's Lord Murugan, and we are at Batu Caves.
We had a really great Grab driver take us here. He had some pumping tunes. And he also warned us not to look at the monkeys in the eye and to definitely not feed them.
I love monkeys, and I'm always trying to get us to go to places based on if there's monkeys there. But I've watched enough YouTube videos in the Batu Caves, and I don't know, maybe this is the end of my infatuation with monkeys, because apparently these ones are not super nice.
Me on the other hand, I don't love them as much.
But Hayes loves them. That's all that matters.
If you haven't seen, we have a video in Marrakech where Stephanie walked through the main
No,
square
the
there.
monkey video you should watch is Thailand, where we go into the mangroves and we call monkeys. That's right here. They're called flying rats.
What does flying rats do? Look at a monkey. Oh, look at monkey. It's moving.
They are everywhere. There are monkeys everywhere. So far, still happy. So far, still happy.
1, 2.
How many?
1, 2, 3.
3 monkeys? Are there any cheeky monkeys?
No, there's no.
No cheeky monkeys?
Oh, there's one. Yeah, there's you. Get close to that.
Well, let's not get too close though. I think here is a really good spot.
One of the monkeys like took that guy's student ID or something. He's losing it. It's not even shiny, but I guess it was on like a lanyard or a keychain.
Hazy, you did so well. You nearly made it all the way to the top. You did really good.
No,
Well done.
I know I make it up top.
You nearly did.
No.
Yeah, you did a ton of walking up those steps.
That wasn't bad, but I didn't have to carry Hayes for the last bit. As for the monkeys, so far, not that scary.
Wait, I saw one jump on a lady's bag. You missed that?
I love it.
Why did mommy jump over by?
Nah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
It's kind of like Ruby Falls. Yeah? Except 400 million years old.
And a Hindu temple shrine. You and your comparisons.
I gotta represent Tennessee. We got this in our backyard. We don't. I'm sorry. This feels like one of those places that is probably a remarkably different experience since the pandemic. It is empty in here. I don't know what it's normally like, but I suspect that this place sometimes is very, very crowded. Wandering life? Oh, I'm just gonna sit down, have a think.
Step into the light. I don't know the rest of the words.
You guys look like monkeys. Okay, I'm liking this less and less. But I'm still loving it. Oh, they're throwing trash everywhere. Why is down so much scarier for some reason? He's just said that maybe instead of the monkeys throwing trash that
Maybe just doing trash can.
So Malaysia Tourism, if you could train the monkeys to pick up the trash and throw it in the trash can, Hayes would be really impressed.
That was awesome.
That was really, really cool. Not half as scary as YouTube makes it seem. I think that's a case of a little bit of an exaggeration going on. I mean, the monkeys were kind of everywhere, but not as like fierce as I expected. And the caves are wonderful. The painted stairs are beautiful. The massive statue, very cool. Highly recommend. We are downstairs at the Chow Kit for dinner. Now, Pete and I don't usually eat in hotels, but this doesn't feel like that because it's a small hotel and it's a really cool restaurant. And we've ordered a few starters, Malaysian starters, that he just told me how to pronounce, and I'm not totally sure. There's this mixed salady thing, rajok, and then I don't even know this one.
Sorry.
But I'll put the name here. Anyway, it is delicious. I would totally recommend this as a restaurant. I would recommend the hotel for sure, but even if you're not staying in the hotel and you're in KL, this restaurant is great if you want to try like classic Malaysian dishes, but in kind of an upscale way, which is nice. It's a change of pace. And whatever this rajok is gonna be a dish I seek out the rest of the time I'm in Malaysia because it is so good. If it's even half this good anywhere else, which I'm sure it is, it's kind of weird to have to be tasting something for the first time in like a nice restaurant. It's gonna be one of my favorites.
Alright, this food is really, really exceptional. But the star of the show here is the French toast.
Now we're in the same place we were last night. It's our last morning here in KL before we go to Penang on the bus. We tried to get train tickets, but we were too late. And we're having our last breakfast. The breakfast here has been incredible every day, but the French toast, I think it's the best I've ever had. It's so good. The cocktails in the evening, I'm not sure we showed. Those have been amazing. We've just really enjoyed the whole experience here. We're really grateful to have been able to stay here, and we're excited to make our way to Penang. And if you're frustrated that we didn't try enough of the wonderful, wonderful food here in Kuala Lumpur, our next video is a food tour of the area. We're coming back next weekend, and we'll have another food video, another couple of vlogs, as well as some videos from our time in Penang. So if you're new here and you haven't already, please subscribe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment below to tell us what we should do in Malaysia, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.